Good afternoon, students. Welcome to ICT2 online session. Previously, we discussed a lot of topics in data communication networking. And last session in Unit 2, actually the Unit 2 title is Internet Applications. In this unit, we covered 4 of them questions only. That is one, what are the importance of Internet Explorer? Internet Explorer, I think you know, this is a web browser in a computer system. So browser is always access to information from World Wide Web. So you know, so browser is not available in your computer system. We can't possible to access them any information through net. So and the second question is, what is the standard components available in the Internet Explorer, like title bar, menu bar, or content view, status bar, etc. That class is also completed for last class. And 2 more questions is discussed in this unit. That is one, about social networking and advantages, disadvantages of social networking. And one more, different type of social networking websites in computer. These 2 are the most important expected essays in the examination point of view. Let us discuss basically about social networking. What is social networking? A social networking site is an online platform. Online mean if you want to send any message in internet or in proper social networking site, we need to connect an internet connectivity. So without internet connectivity, we can possible to send and we cannot possible to receive also. That's why this is an online platform that allows users mean who's interact with the social networking sites, that persons are treated as called users. So that allows users to create a public profile. So profile of the user mean the entire status of the user, that mean the gender or date of birth or studying location or present working location and communication address. Everything we have to view any of the person in social networking. That's why this is called a public profile, and interact with other users on the websites. So all users can interact and can forward to messages and share your ideas and share your comments. Everything is possible with the help of the social networking websites. So social networking sites usually have a new user input, a list of people with whom they share a connection, and then allow the people on the list of confirm or reject the connection. That means once a user can create a social networking site profile, later there are so many new friends and colleagues or neighbors are just invite into the group. In case if you group to maintain, you just click the accept. In case you didn't maintain the group, just click the reject. So if you want to click the reject, what happening, the proper group name or the proper person is not appear in your contact list. So accept or reject whatever maybe should be there in your hands. In case he is your very best friend or your neighbor or classmate, whatever maybe, you can accept your friend request. Then we have to start your sharing anything in website. So after connections are established, the new user can search the networks of connections to make more connections. That's mean once the public profile in social networking is successfully created, we can possible to search any of them friend in social networking site, and the friend, we just send a friend request to another person. In case your friend is accepted a request, we can possible to share your data or messages or anything. Let us, how to create an account in social networkings. In case if you want to communicate with your friends in social networking site, first we have to register with your name in social networking site. Basically present is there are so many different type of social networkings are there, because you know everyone have a Facebook ID. Okay, Facebook is a powerful social networking in internet family. So not only that Facebook, there are so many different type of networking is also available, but so many of them people are interactive with friends only for Facebook. Okay, in case of Facebook or LinkedIn or classmates, whatever may be, if you want to communicate with others, we need to create a registration in the social networking the very first. So in the time of registration, requirement is just to fill up more of them information about the users, like date of birth or gender or studying your school studying location and present studying location. In case you are doing a job, your job description and present your job location, everything you have to ask them, and each and every field is not mandatory. In case you need to enter the details, that information is appear to other people's also. Okay, then how to create an account on social networking? This is a very simplest process. Is not worried about it. If you want to just click a sign up button in a social networking site, it will ask more information about the user. Let us. The process to create a new account for a social network differs for each social network. That means each and every social networking maintain not same data about the users. Sometimes studying location is asking only Facebook, but YouTube or any other of the social networking site cannot ask that what is our studying, the location didn't ask. So that is differ for each social networking. That means each and every social networking not ask the same information about the user, that is according to the type of networking. In general, visit the social network website where you want to create a new account and look for a link near the top of the page named sign up. So you are a new user. To create a profile in the social networking, just first you want to open a web browser. So that is either Google Chrome, either Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, whatever may be. First you want to open a proper web browser. Once the browser is successfully opened into your computer system, in the browser a proper address bar is appear. So in the address bar, you can create a public profile in what social networking. In case you have to create a profile in Facebook, or you want to create a profile in LinkedIn, or you want to create a profile in YouTube, whatever may be, we choose a proper website address on the title bar. Once you have to type the proper website address in the title bar, then the first page is open. Basically in internet, the first page in internet is called a home page. So the home page contain details of the page. So if you want to open a Facebook, then the Facebook page right hand side top corner, it will show a sign up button. So if you just click the sign up button, a new page is displayed. So in this page you just enter the details about yourself. Okay, so sometime you want to create a profile in Classmate, sign up button is not appear, in sign up is replaced, create a new account. So if you, according to the site, the options are little bit to change. So once the page is open, follow the account creation steps to create your new account. If you are a new account, you are the new user in a social networking, so you want to enter the general profile of the user. So you will likely need to provide minimum your name. That is the important thing. Without name, we cannot possible to communicate others also. That's why we need to provide your name, and we need to provide your age, and we need to provide your gender, and we need to provide your email address. These all are the minimum requirements. So name, age or gender and address, email address, these four information about the user is minimum requirement, and additional information you didn't fill them, you just didn't enter the detail, is not appear to another persons. Okay, but minimum these four things are required. So additional information may be required, that is depending on the requirement of the social network. So minimum these four are important. So you want to change the social networking site, some sites are mandatory. That mandatory mean compulsory to enter the details. If any one of the detail is missing, we cannot create a public profile in the site. That's why according to the site, we choose or enter the proper details of the user. Okay, so the creating profile is very easily in Facebook or any other social networking website, everything is appeared very clearly on the form. Just you have to enter the particulars in this in the proper boxes, and finally entering the data is entering completed, and bottom there is a submit button is appear. Just you click the submit button, the data is forwarded to main server and accepted, and each and everything will be kept in the server, and your ID is successfully created. Let us we discuss about what are the important advantages and what are the important disadvantages of using social networks. So if you not only that social networking using with internet sometimes is a good and sometimes is bad, okay, according to our nature. Absolutely, social networking site as usual we can possible as so many of advantages, similar to there are so many of disadvantages. Let us we discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages are available using with social networks. So social media can be a useful tool for businesses. Absolutely, actually this networking is established the very firstly for businesses purpose, because in any of the corporation or any of the company we can launch a new product, we can spread the advertisement very first. So advertisement for purpose we need to implement this social networking very first, but later this social network will be updated more and more times. That's why we can create a public profile and we can share family photos and we can chat. Everything is possible nowadays, but the very first time this social media or social network is implemented only for the business purposes. So bringing advantages such as engaging with your audience and improving website traffic. So however, there can also be disadvantages, including the resources required and negative feedback. This is the major disadvantage. If any of the person didn't like the product, immediately give the negative feedback about the product. So this is the major disadvantage. So considering these pros and cons, pros means called advantages and cons is called disadvantages, can help you decide the best approach to social media for your business. Let us we discuss about point-wise advantages of social network. The first advantages of social networking is social networking is free. Absolutely, in your mobile or in your computer have a network facility is there. So without a charge we can possible to send any message or any document or any photo without a cost. Okay, we didn't pay any surcharge or we didn't pay any of the fee to the social networking website. Is total free. Okay, we can possible to download and we can possible to view video and we can possible to share and we can possible to chat to others. So everything is free. So didn't take any much money we have to maintain this social networking, but internet facility is required. Okay, so social networking is inexpensive. That's it, very total free, and enables us to post matter in real time. That real time means that definitely you received person may be in online. The online process is called real time. So networking portals enable us to re-establish contact with friends. Okay, then an old friend should be there in another location. We have to find and we have to search your name in the search box. In case you have to find out immediately, can do a friend request. So contact with friends, and not only that old friends, we can possible to contact with make a new friends and form communities also. That is a group. Okay, according to group we can possible to create in a social networking. It allows us the luxury of interacting with people who share the same likes and dislikes. Okay, so friends, some common hobbies are present. So the common hobbies also friends we have communicate within social networking, like it books or movies or hobbies, and develops our world by sharing ideas. Everything is a free. We didn't pay any much amount to the social networking site. This is most useful advantage in social networking. And the second advantage is helps on the professional front. Professional front mean this particular corporation we have to gather very matured candidates to appoint in a job. So proper biodata should be entered in a social networking. Some companies are like that behaviors and like that hobbies and like that academic qualification, can immediately give a appointment to the proper user. So this is helpful for good staff members are entered into the organization. Okay, so on the professional front, networking is a cost effective way to publicize products, absolutely, because to push promotion and to estimate the pulse of the market. According, if you want to introduce a new product into the social networking, in case some of them peoples are automatically accepted like, so then like accepted, what are happened, there's the product should be launched, then we have to purchase more of them peoples in the society. So this is less price to more advertising. So it is the cheapest means of connecting to a worldwide audience, not only the proper location. So in case you have to put the proper advertisement in social networking, the advertisement view and throughout the world, not only that particular city. Okay, there are any number of professional networking sites like LinkedIn. This is a very popular professional networking site which give updates on jobs, absolutely. For example, you have completed a BTech, or you have to completed a degree, and you have completed intermediate. So according to your qualification, the matching job is how to find out in the social networking also. So available and profiles of candidates also. So professional networking websites are a source for recruiting candidates, absolutely. In case in the time of social networking ID creation time, user can enter the details of academic details also. So in any of them academic details is matching about the company, then we have to satisfied about the candidate. Immediately that company send a appointment order to the user. In case order is received after user, we can possible to join in the organization also. This is more helpful for educated peoples to choose a proper job in the social networking. Okay, and third important advantage is builds new relations and reconnect lost ones, absolutely. So old friends are always friends. We have to communicate lot of times in phone or what maybe in social networking also, but we have to communicate with new peoples, and we have to communicate with new ideas with your new friends. This is the super platform. We can send any of them in social networking site, so builds new relation. Social networking sites play a wonderful role for people who use these sites as a platform to meet their long last classmates, absolutely. Your classmates have to be interacted in the social networking also, or old friends, whatever may be. So alternatively, individuals looking for like-minded people. Like-minded people mean same hobbies we have, there is another person, we can possible to communicate also. Okay, that's mean like-minded people for friendship or marriage. So some of them, in case you have to like a person very much, then we can possible to marriage also. So our marriage use these sites to meet people of their linking to fake relationships. Okay, and that the fourth one is called quick flow of information. In world, in any place, one particular problem is occurring, immediately we can possible to post the problem in social networking site, and so many people are viewing the problem, and we suggest the solution of this problem also. So this is quick flow of information. So there is no rejecting the reach and speed of social networking. Twitters and Facebook have been used in the recent past to report on natural disasters and accidents almost at the time of occurrence. That is a live video you can possible to play in Facebook and Twitter also. So what is going on that particular location, immediately have to live shoot, and you can immediately post them, and we view so many of them or give suggestions to the problem also. And the fifth advantage is customer interaction. So customer interaction mean if you want to purchase one particular product, after 1 month we have to know about review of the product. So the customer immediately contact with the customer and take a review. In case the customer give a good review, immediately the product review will be posted on the social networking site, and so many people are impressed to buy the same product more times, and the company income is also growing a lot. That's why, so customer interaction is also possible to done in the social networking. So you can deliver improved customer service and respond effectively to feedback. The feedback is the product is good or bad, whatever may be. So positive feedback is public and can be believable to other potential customers. So negative feedback highlights areas where you can improve. In case any of the customer can give a negative feedback, what happening, the company can change or improve the quality of the product, then the product will be changed. What happening, the product will be sold to more people in the society. So these are the important advantages. Let us discuss about what are the disadvantages of social networking. Because if you want to maintain a social networking, there are so many advantages similar to disadvantages also present. Let us discuss about what is the first disadvantage of social networking, that is loss of privacy. So loss of privacy, once the social networking, we have to enter all the photos or family photos, whatever may be. So the photos you have to view another person's also, that is loss of privacy we can occur in social networking. So networking sites put your life on display to an audience, absolutely. So everything you have to put in the social networking, that everything is open to the public. So every information, for example, you are going to another location, just you have to put a photo and post it in the Facebook. What happening, you should be there in which location, you can identify all the peoples. So that is put your life on display to an audience. So any files or any pictures, details put upon a networking site can be shared through on a limited basis. Everybody should be careful about the information they share on a networking platform, because if you want to send a proper photograph in social networking, the photo have to be viewed all are your friends and all are your neighbors and all are your old friends also. So that's very careful to maintain your personal data in social networking. So no need to open everything in social networking. Okay, also of the slap comments made about other people may increase into controversies and clashes. Absolutely. If you want to put a proper photograph in social networking site, so some of them are like and some of them are dislike, and like and dislike is not a matter. If any one of them put a wasteless comment, that is we have to maintain a distance of your relationship, it will generate a clashes. So that's why we can limit to share everything in a social networking is better for your life. Okay, and second disadvantage is time consuming. Absolutely, because nowadays social networking is a very dangerous thing, because once the person is addicted in a social networking, what happening, 24 hours have to communicate in a social networking only. Okay, so time consuming mean networking is time consuming and addictive also, absolutely addictive. Just keeping up to carry out the latest updates takes up time which could be better utilized. That is, it is never truer than in an office situation where a lot of productive time is lost as employees, that is mean chat online or play online games or just catch up with each other or networking sites. Okay, so employees what doing in an organization, simply avoid the work and every time you have to chat with your friends and send messages and share videos or posted videos view. This is the lot of waste of time, then automatically organization productive time is also lost. That's why time consuming is a major drawback about the social networking. Okay, and the next disadvantage is impersonal. So social networking is to an extent impersonal as there is no face-to-face contact. Absolutely is right, because actually name is one and the photo will change. So name and photo is not matched. So that's why, because no face-to-face contact between the social networking site. So it is one of the causes of people continuing to live and work without the affection of human contact. Okay, so impersonal is also a major disadvantage of social networking site. And the last disadvantage is negative feedback. So social media users have free restraint to post whatever they want. Absolutely, what should be there in the mind, in that mind information we should post it on the social networking. That is useful or not, what or maybe everything is posted on the social networking. Some of this negative feedback could come from within your own organization. Okay, if any organization is accepted the negative feedback, what happening? The product is not sold to others. So dissatisfied employees have been known to release on social media about work and their superiors. So to make the entire company look bad. Absolutely, because dissatisfied employees mean the employee is not working properly in an organization. So what's happening? Immediately boss is calling and just a work memo. In case in future you have to continue the same behavior, I did immediately terminate them. So what happening? This dissatisfied employee immediately post a negative feedback about the company, and in case you new joined employees, we cannot interested to join in this company. So this is the important negative feedback about the social networking. That's why the social networking is finally what I'm saying, we just put anything in limited manner only. So not to post each and everything and not to share each and every message on a social networking, because if you post or send a picture, that post you have to see all of in the society. That's why be careful to operate them social networking sites very clearly. Thank you.